Good morning, everyone. It's chilly as you step out this morning to work or school, as temperatures are in the 30s in most areas. Let's take a look at your weather headlines for today. It's going to be sunny and chilly for the next few days as temperatures remain a good 10 to 15 degrees below normal. And then we're going to be watching a good ocean storm moving up the eastern seaboard with heavy rain and wind later on Wednesday night into Thursday. And then it looks like it would turn into a weather pattern change as we head into the weekend. Much milder conditions and less stormier conditions as well moving into next weekend. Your satellite and radar composite shows pretty much, we have some low clouds hanging around this morning in Boston, in southern New England as well. That's going to burn off into partly sunny skies later on today, so the sunshine will be out if it's not out in your area right now. We're watching one storm system skirt out to sea to the south of us that won't affect us in any way. The storm system we're worried about is right now over St. Louis and Kansas City. It's dipping down to the southeast, and what it's going to do is continue to move over to Atlanta and then redevelop off the southeast coast and quickly strengthen as it moves up the eastern seaboard. And we still have a negative NAO, which is what I explained to you last week during Sandy. It's the North Atlantic Oscillation, and that's normally when it's negative, it's hard for a storm to go out to sea. Rather, it comes up the eastern seaboard or heads more closer to the coast as well instead of going out to sea. So we're going to be watching that later on Wednesday night into Thursday. But first for today, high pressure is in control of our region. We have a nice northwesterly wind filtering in cooler air than normal into the next few days, today and tomorrow. Temperatures will be holding between 42 and about 47 degrees. We should be about 50 degrees this time of year. And then the warmer temperatures, though, will be rebounding back into the weekend as we have a pattern change coming up. So you set up for this weekend, this midweek storm shows a dip in the jet stream is going to help redevelop that storm off the southeast coastline and then take a track up the eastern seaboard just southeast of Nantucket probably by Wednesday night and Thursday morning. And with that scenario, it looks like we're going to have some heavy rainfall and strong gusty winds along eastern Massachusetts. And it does also show we will have some coastal flooding again in the areas highlighted in red that were already battered by Hurricane Sandy. So any tides that are above normal, which they will be slightly 2 to 3 feet above normal, will be possible coastal flooding and some more beach erosion from the system. For our western areas, it looks like there's enough cold air to hold on to some snowfall in the Adirondacks. In Massachusetts, it looks like higher terrain of central Massachusetts and western Massachusetts, as well as southwestern New Hampshire will have a chance of some heavy wet snow to start off, but they look like they should be changing over to rain as warmer air does move in from the system. So your storm impacts for winds as I see it right now for Wednesday into Thursday. The best chance of strong gustiest winds will be along the southeastern Mass, Cape Cod and the islands, where they could have wind gusts of 50 to 60 miles an hour. And then as we head further westward and north into Middlesex County, central Massachusetts, good 40 to 50 mile an hour wind gusts could be expected out of the system. And far western Massachusetts, 30 to 40 mile an hour wind gusts. Anywhere within this eastern Massachusetts area with wind gusts above 40 miles an hour and trees possibly already weakened because of Hurricane Sandy and some heavy rainfall to boot, there is a possibility of some more power outages that could be created from this scenario, as well as with the strong northeasterly winds. We're going to see some more coastal erosion and coastal flooding possible along the eastern facing sea coasts. Rainfall potential, I'm expecting the lightest will be out west, where they'll be having up to an inch of rainfall expected as you head east closer to the storm, 1 to 2 inches in central Massachusetts, 2 to as much as 4 inches of rainfall in eastern Massachusetts. The highest amounts possible will be over the Cape Cod and the islands. With that all in mind, let's take a look at your daily planner for today. It's looking like this. We're going to start off with some clouds and chilly conditions, turning into partly sunny skies and continuing to be chilly with temperatures holding into the middle 40s. And then finally for tonight, mainly clear skies, and again it will be colder in the suburbs as well as in Boston, partly mainly clear skies with a few clouds around. Berwick around 23 degrees and Boston in the lower 30s. And there's that earlier sunset at 4:33 p.m. In your forecast for tomorrow, it's looking like a great day, though albeit chilly. Mostly sunny skies with a continuing northwest wind at 5 to 10 miles an hour and temperatures holding into the middle 40s. Now on your 5-day forecast, you will see that later on Tuesday night we'll bring in some clouds and it turns cloudy for Wednesday. The rain does not begin to develop until probably Wednesday afternoon and become heavy Wednesday night. So the winds and rain are Wednesday night all the way into Thursday, temperatures holding into the 40s. And then Friday, right now we dry out, turn partly sunny. Temperatures holding in the upper 40s to near 50, and then it looks like on the weekend it looks like temperatures could be rebounding back above 50 degrees under partly to mostly sunny skies on Saturday and Sunday. That's the latest from the BoricaWeather.com weather update. I'm Dave Bruce. I hope you have a great day.